Okay, so T helper lymphocytes. These help antigen-driven maturation of B cells and T cells. They also facilitate and magnify the interaction between the APCs and the immunocompetent lymphocytes. With that, they also are with B cells activation, not also. This is when a B cell encounters an antigen for the first time. The B cell will, with specific BCRs, are stimulated to differentiate and proliferate. Also, a differentiated B cell becomes a plasma cell, and plasma cells are a factory for the antibody production. They're single class or subclass of antibodies. When with differentiated B cells are into the antibody producing plasma cells and into long-living memory cells. With T cell activation, it initiates cellular immune response. They bind antigen to the TCRs. They also allow the direct killing of either foreign or abnormal cells. So this would be like your T cells, TC cells, or cytotoxic T lymphocytes, CTLs. You also have with your T cell activation, assistance or activation of other cells. Also in T cell activation, you have your Treg or T regulatory cells, which regulate the immune response to avoid it from attacking itself. And then you also have it produces your T memory cells, which have the capacity to respond rapidly if they're further exposed to the same antigen. With those TC cells, like I was saying earlier, they have the capacity to identify antigens on the surface of infected or malignant cells, and they can destroy them. With those TC cells, they destroy what would be like your cancer cells or cells infected with a virus, and this also induces apoptosis. Don't know if